How to refund on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can refund on DoorDash. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get a refund on DoorDash, all you have to do is, first of all, it depends upon what kind of a stage the order is in and whether or not it is eligible for a refund. So for this, first of all, open the DoorDash application and just make sure to sign into your account. Then go to the orders tab. Once you're on the orders tab over here, just look out for the order that you want to get a refund for. Select the help button, and then after you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and then cancel or get a refund for your order, but you need to wait for the response from DoorDash themselves. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.